Unfolding and folding of a Brompton bike or any trifold bike. First, unfold the pedal. Next, unlock the seat clamp, lift up the saddle, and lock the seat clamp. Next, hold the stem and lift up, or press the end of the handlebar and lift up. Then lock the hinge clamp. Okay, now with your left hand, grab the stem, lift up, and swing on the left. Then lock the mainframe hinge clamp. Now the last step, left hand on the handlebar, right hand on the saddle seat, and lift up. Now let's do the folding. Press the trigger and hold the frame and lift up. Notice the front wheel, it should be at diagonal position on this first fold. Unscrew the mainframe clamp hinge, hold the handlebar stem, lift up and swing towards you. Unscrew the handlebar stem clamp until it falls. Next, unlock the seat post clamp, bring down the saddle and lock again. Now this is the last part. Just press this black plastic up and fold.